Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you iMac. It's a 27-inch, it's i5 late 2015 model. I'm going to upgrade my memory. I have 8 gig memory, so I'm going to make it 16 gig. 2 sticks which are 8 gig each, so I'm going to take out the 4 gig and then I'm going to replace with the 8 gig, so I'm going to make it to 16 gig. And it's very simple and easy to do it. Let me share with you how to do it. So in order to upgrade the memory, we're going to shut down the computer. We're going to bring the back side. So we're going to unplug the cable, which is our power cord. Okay. Once we unplug the cable, I wanted to show it to you. This is the behind the power cord. This is the switch. You have to press it. When you press it, our memory card slot, the whole thing will push out. So I'm going to press this one, just like that. And you see, it pops out. This is the cover. After opening the cover, now if we look at, the memory is holding by this one tab here, one tab on this side. You basically pull towards you, and the other one you push towards that way, opens up, and now we can take the memory out. You just pull it out, and same thing at the bottom. So once I'm going to pull it out, I'm going to put the new memory in there. So make sure that orientation, the notch is on this side, the smaller side, and the bigger side is on that side. And this one is very easy. When you put it in, and this one, it just goes in just like that. You press it in. And the same thing, the second one, you insert it in, you press it, it snaps in. Now we're going to push this one back. This one locks on this side, and now I'm going to press it the other side, that locks in. That's it. And now, this is the cover. We're going to place it on top. Once you insert it, this one just need to be pressed in perfectly. And that's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your memory. Now we're going to put our code back. I'm going to start it. If you like this video, please give a like and please subscribe Easy Steps. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.